Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to paint a beautiful waterfall scenery. To watch the video till the end. So let's start. For this we'll paint our sky first. I'm using titanium white color here, spreading it on the drawing paper with flat brush number 6. Now at the top we have to apply cobalt blue color and spread the same color till mid of the page, so it will get mixed with titanium white color and will get a lighter shade of blue here. Now our sky is complete. We'll paint a square shape in blue color. And the sides of the square we have to paint dark green color. Till this time our ultramarine blue color will get dry. So once this completes, we'll paint our waterfall. So I have mixed cobalt blue and titanium white color here, and with the flat brush I am coloring here the waterfall. So from the top to bottom you have to make the strokes, and at the top you have to apply more pressure and just drag it till the bottom. Use the same procedure for the complete area and apply this color for the complete ultramarine blue square. Once this completes, let it dry. By the time we will paint our bushes with light green color. So with the same flat brush I am tapping the light green color on the earlier applied dark green color. Now we'll once more apply a layer of titanium white color for our waterfall. Use the same technique of dragging the color from top to bottom by applying more pressure at top and dragging the color to the bottom. Once this completes, we'll add some water splashes with tip of the flat brush. Now I am using here the black color for the river where our waterfall. The middle part we have to paint with ultramarine blue color. Let's paint some trees here. For this I am using a round brush and with brown color painting trees. part of the tree trunk which is facing to the waterfall to get the sunlight, which we have to paint little lighter. So using here Brown+Titanium White, coloring it lighter shade. Then in between add some strokes of white color. Apply the same procedure for other tree trunks. And the part of the tree trunk which is opposite to the waterfall will be little darker. So apply Brown+Black color to this part. Now we'll paint few rocks here to the sides of our river. Same procedure of lightening the rocks by Brown+Titanium White and white color. Once this completes, we'll paint our river with some light shade of blue for water effect and some white color. Add few more water splashes, tip of the flat brush. Let's paint our tree flowers. So for this I am using pink color. Apply the first layer with pink color, then add white color to the original pink color and dab the same color on the earlier pink color, and the final layer will be of titanium white. Lastly, add some branches with brown color. Our painting is ready. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, do subscribe my channel and share it with your family and friends. Thanks for watching.